It was time for me to make up some more drink mixes for my bug out bag and combat packs. I want to show what I did. You can start off simple with drink mixes for your pack with little instant coffees, teas for your hot and wet, which is a big morale booster when you're cold and wet in the morning. But what I did here is I vacuum packed coffee, creamer, and sugar using raw sugar into little Mylar cut down bags. I can keep this near enough forever in here. I also did tropical fruit punch drink mix. You'd mix this with 1 quart and give you a whole bunch of calories on top of your water. Anything to help mask it if you start using iodine or chlorine purification, or you just water from a less than tasteful source. Let's have a jamoke here. It's got hot cocoa, coffee, creamer, and sugar in it, all mixed together. It's ready to go. This will take 1 cup of water. Another thing I have, the same jamoke, but it's in a larger Mylar bag with a zipper top that once you rip it open, you could dump in your hot water, seal it up, and drink it right out of the bag so you wouldn't need another cup. Whenever I vacuum pack stuff, whether Mylar or plastic bags, I always put like a little delta here for medical supplies or anything, help rip it open. Just enough to be able to give you a good tear so you wouldn't need a knife to do it.